Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I gonna share how to sign out of your Gmail account on your Android phone. If you are ready to learn, let's get started. At first, open your Gmail apps. Then click on three dot icon. Then just scroll down and click on the setting button. Then you can see the all Gmail here. You can find also three dot here. Just click on it. Click on manage accounts. Then you can see the Google option here. Click on the Google. You can see the all login Gmail here. So which one you wanna log out or remove in your device, just click on it. For example, I wanna log out my last Gmail. Then click on the more option here. You can see the remove account here. And just click on remove account. Okay. And the Gmail account is log out now. And there you have it. You have successfully signed out of your Gmail account on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video like, comment, share. And if you need anything, please comment below. I will help to make you more videos. Thanks for watching.